Finally got one.
So after lunch, fishing with Luciano, things are slow, which is not normal. I mean, that happens. But what I'm doing here is I'm really playing with my presentation, speeding it up, slowing it down, keeping in mind that the currents are different speeds all the time too. So watching that fly, the water is so clear that you can see the fly in action and you can actually see these fish come up and strike. But the thing is, you've got to understand that if you've got a fast strip and fast current, that ball's whipping by these, or that fly is whipping by these fish like a fastball. So you always have to be playing with your speed, retrieve speed, and I slowed things down because these fish were hitting the fly, but they were hitting it and missing it. So what I did was I slowed things down, I allowed those fish to eat, and the big ones will come and inhale it. And once we find one, we should connect once you figure out the speed. I've always been taught when fishing streamers for browns against the bank that when you make your initial cast, throw an upstream mend to allow that fly to run parallel to the bank as you're fishing it. But Luciano's got a different philosophy. He wants me to cast to the bank and then do 2 or 3 strips immediately, right off the bank, in case there's any fish right there for the reaction bite, like that one, and then throw that upstream mend in to make that fly go parallel. But he's looking for that reaction bite from these brown trout right against the bank. And a lot of times, as soon as you move that fly, it's gonna get chased down. 1, 2, 3, and then an upstream mend, and it can start running parallel to the bank in this situation. The thing about fishing in Chile is there's structure everywhere, and you can't be afraid to get into it, because that's where these fish live. That fish came out from that log over there, and then got me wrapped up in this log here, and Luciano said, give that fish some slack. I did, and he worked his way out, and yeah, got one to eat. Nice little football. Beautiful colors. Fantastic, so fun. Streamer fishing. Great stuff. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm talking about, structure, not being afraid to put your flies in the danger zone. You got to be afraid to lose flies here. We were right in the middle of a bunch of wood and a whole bunch of junk, and I risked the fly, put it in, and this little guy came out from the thick stuff and ate it. But he charged it down, water so clear you could watch it happen. Magical stuff here at Magic Waters. Awesome. Thanks, buddy.